Digital creativity and image generation. Maya and her robot friend Momo are excited to explore how computers help us create art and designs. Long ago, people expressed creativity with pencils, paint, and paper. Today, computers bring creativity to the digital world, helping us draw, edit, and share ideas quickly. Digital creativity means using computers and software to make images, designs, and visual content. Instead of only drawing on paper, we can now use digital tools to draw pictures and illustrations, design posters, cards, and charts, edit photos, present ideas visually. Digital creativity combines imagination with technology to create meaningful visuals. Before using advanced tools, beginners can start with simple drawing software like MS Paint. Paint allows users to draw manually using a mouse and keyboard. Common tools include pencil and brush tools, shapes like circles, rectangles, and lines, color fill tool, eraser, text tool. Using these tools, you can create simple digital drawings and learn how digital art works. Image processing means improving or modifying an existing image using computer software. Basic tasks include cropping and resizing, adjusting brightness or contrast, adding text or shapes, saving images in different formats. Image processing is useful for school assignments, posters, and presentations. Image generation is a modern way to create pictures. Instead of drawing every detail manually, you describe the image in words. This description is called a prompt. The computer reads the prompt and generates an image in seconds. A good prompt is clear, detailed, and descriptive. The better your prompt, the more accurate and creative the generated image will be. Clear instructions help AI tools understand your ideas and produce improved visuals. Modern AI tools make image generation easy and fun. Popular tools include Microsoft Designer for creative and professional designs. ChatGPT generates images from text prompts using AI models. Gemini offers advanced image editing and blending features. Meta AI helps create and enhance visuals. These tools help students create images quickly for projects, posters, and presentations. Gemini's AI tools, like Nano Banana, allow detailed image editing. You can blend multiple images, change colors, adjust backgrounds, or add objects, all by typing instructions. This saves time and keeps details consistent in your creative work. ChatGPT can also generate images from words. For example, you might type, "Create a colorful poster for a science project." ChatGPT instantly produces the picture, perfect for posters, cartoons, or educational visuals. The internet is full of ideas for digital creativity. To find what you need, type a search query into a search engine. Good queries are clear and specific, short and focused, detailed for best results. This helps you find authentic and reliable content for your projects. AI tools are powerful, but they must be used responsibly. Students should create original work. Avoid copying content blindly. Use AI as a support tool. Follow school rules and guidelines. Digital creativity allows students to express ideas visually using computers. By learning basic drawing tools, image processing, AI-based image generation, and effective online searching, students can create meaningful and imaginative projects. With responsible and ethical use, creativity in the digital world is limitless.